I actually lived in Berlin back in 2006 for several years. I can speak German. And I realized how much has Berlin changed in these last 15 years. And this reminds me of how much has the solar industry changed as well in these exact 15 years. And it's even going to change more. We all know that. So when I started working in solar back in 2006, this industry was mainly managed by a few installers. Nowadays, we see that this is changing, and there are so many different companies entering into the business. For example, we have retailers such as IKEA, not just selling solar panels, but also selling electricity. We've got oil and gas companies such as Repsol or Total selling solar installations, even car manufacturers such as Nissan, of course, we all know Tesla, and even telco companies, for example, Telefonica, trying to sell solar installations. Okay, I have a problem with the button. Okay, so we've got all these big companies trying to get into the solar business, but they're having some troubles. They're having problems. Mainly problems with being scalable and problems with being profitable. And this is exactly where Ezzing comes into the game. Ezzing Solar, as the name says, was born to make as easy as possible the process of buying and selling solar rooftop installations. We partner with these companies and we help them get into the solar business by digitalizing every step of the value chain, from the lead generation, installation, engineering, and of course, after sales. And how are we doing that? Well, we have created different tools for every step of this value chain. We've got simulators to capture the leads. We've got a customer portal to interact with the client during the buying process. Of course, we've got a specialized CRM for solar, a quoting tool to make designs, to make quotes. We've got an installers app to connect with our partner installers and to communicate on-site. And of course, we've got the monitoring to engage with the client when the installation is completed and to cross-sell and upsell other technologies, because it's true that 90% of the business that we run through our platform nowadays is rooftop solar, but our platform is ready to offer other solutions, such as heat pumps, EV chargers, batteries, anything. So Ezzing Solar, it's going to become a multi-product platform. So yeah, I'm here to speak about innovation. We are an innovation company. We invest deeply in our tools, and I would like to show you what are we working on. Automatic design and proposal generation. This is going to blow your mind. I mean, you're just going to enter an address, you're just going to enter the consumption, and you're going to get an automatic quote, a solar quote. This is very useful mainly for two factors. You're not going to need any more technical people to sell PV making quotes, and you're going to be able to generate thousands of quotes within seconds. So imagine you're a bank, and you have millions of clients, and you want to offer solar to these clients because you know them. You know these clients, you know their consumptions, you know their addresses. So these banks don't have to train their people on selling solar. They're just going to run the database through our platform, and they're going to get all sort of automatic quotes. Very interesting feature. Another hot topic, it's the lead scoring. So just by the interaction of the leads of these potential clients with our platform, we want to understand how likely these customers will end up buying a solar installation. So with that, we're going to be able to save, of course, time, resources, and money. And finally, the jewel in the crown, solar communities. If you've been in solar, which most of you probably have been, you've heard about this new business that is coming. We want to connect consumers with nearby producers so that any consumer can analyze and can see which installations are available in his neighborhood. And then he can connect to them if there is still capacity. This business is really ramping up in countries such as Spain or Brazil, for example. So just to finalize, just to show you some of the partners we're working with, mainly utilities all over Europe and Latin America. big partners such as Iberdrola, Repsol, Engie, or Total. And that would be it. I will be here around. If you guys want to know more, it will be a pleasure to speak with you. Thank you very much.